Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty to give you honest, real-world reviews. If you're a fan of high-end makeup, today's review might just pique your interest, especially if you're a lover of bold lips. We're talking about the Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Pur Couture, the bold lipstick, in the stunning shade 1971 Rouge Provocation. This lipstick promises to deliver intense color with a luxurious finish that exudes confidence and sophistication. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. So let's start with the basics. This is a highly pigmented lipstick from YSL's iconic Rouge Pur Couture line, designed to offer a smooth and bold application. The shade 1971 Rouge Provocation is a vibrant red that stands out without being overly flashy, perfect for those who want a striking yet sophisticated lip look. The formula itself feels creamy and luxurious, gliding effortlessly onto the lips with just one swipe. It doesn't tug or feel dry, and the color payoff is immediate and intense. For a lipstick this rich in pigment, it has a surprisingly light feel, almost like a satin texture that isn't heavy but still provides great coverage. What I love about this lipstick is how it truly makes a statement. It's bold, it's vibrant, and it doesn't fade after a few hours, which is rare for many bold shades. Throughout the day, I didn't need to worry about constant touch-ups. While the finish is definitely glossy at first, it does settle into a satin-like sheen as it wears, which I actually love because it's not too shiny or too matte. It hits that sweet spot. Real-world use was equally as impressive. I wore it for a full day, from a morning coffee meeting to a lunch out with friends. It stayed put through drinks and even a light meal, which is a testament to its staying power. When I did need to reapply, I found the product easy to layer without it becoming thick or clumpy. One thing to note, it can transfer, as most creamy lipsticks do, so just be mindful if you're wearing white or light-colored clothing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the shade is truly striking. It's the kind of red that adds an air of elegance to your look, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or just want to elevate your everyday makeup. The application is smooth, and the lipstick is moisturizing, which is key when it comes to bold lipsticks. I also love that it's versatile. It pairs well with both minimal makeup looks and more dramatic eye makeup. But no product is without its drawbacks. The biggest con here is the price. At this price point, you're definitely paying for the luxury brand name, which might not be justified for some buyers who aren't looking for that premium experience. Also, as mentioned, it does transfer a bit, so you'll need to be cautious when drinking or eating. When it comes to value for money, that's where this product can be a bit tricky. While the formula is fantastic and the performance is top-notch, the high price tag makes it more of an investment product. If you're someone who prioritizes luxury and doesn't mind splurging on a lipstick, then this is definitely worth the price. But if you're on a budget, there are more affordable options that perform similarly in terms of color intensity and comfort. I couldn't help but compare this to some other high-end lipsticks, like the Tom Ford Lip Color or Chanel Rouge Allure, which both offer similar bold, saturated colors. What sets this YSL lipstick apart is the creamy texture. It's incredibly smooth and comfortable on the lips. If you've tried any of these, you know that the feel of the product on your lips is crucial, and I'd say YSL edges out the competition slightly in that department. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and luxurious, as you'd expect from YSL. It feels sturdy, and the gold casing adds a sophisticated touch that you'll love to pull out of your bag. It's a lipstick you want to showcase, not just wear. For longevity, I'd say you're getting good value, but like any lipstick, the product will need touch-ups depending on how much eating or drinking you're doing. It's not transfer-proof, but it's definitely long-lasting compared to many other creamy formulas. When it comes to alternatives, if you love the bold red look but want something more affordable, Maybelline's Superstay Ink Crayon or L'Oreal's Color Rich Shine offer similar vibrant red shades with decent staying power. They may not have that luxe feel, but they get the job done and come at a fraction of the price. So who is this product really for? If you're someone who enjoys luxury beauty products, loves a bold red lip, and doesn't mind spending a little extra for premium performance, this lipstick will be a perfect fit for your collection. It's ideal for someone who wants a high-quality formula that doesn't sacrifice comfort for pigment. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the shade and the formula. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.